Ancient wisdom of all ages, from all ascended masters, help me to remember who I am. Let me find my strength, my power within. Then I will shine like beacon of light, illuminating the whole world and beyond. Guide me, ancient light, bring me home where I can remember my purpose, my mission for this life. So I am back to one. Light I was, to light I come back. No more darkness, let me shine my light and guide others home. We fight against this dark world together. Let's unite all ages, all races, all religions, all people. We are one and strong together. Unity, oh unity, please people remember that we are all brothers and sisters. Together we can end this dark world and save the future for our children. Unity, oh unity, please people together now. Now is the time. Hey brother, look at me now. Tell me I am not you. Tell me I'm not from the planet Earth. 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 Tell me I'm the same, because I look different. Tell me we are not the same, living under one sun in the Milky Way galaxy. Tell me, oh brother, remind me that the light that shines in me shines also in you. Nothing can stop us when we together, we can make this world brand new. Shining like a star, like a beacon for other life to come to our beautiful planet. Oh brother, tell me I'm your brother. Tell me nothing can divide us, no powers can separate us. We are one. Citizens of Earth, shining for others to see.